To access your fly-by-wire assignments, open up a web browser. Chrome, Safari, or Firefox are fine, and go to fbw-student.mit.edu. Click on the My ACC Arapaho button and enter your My ACC credentials. Once you log in, you'll be redirected to your fly-by-wire dashboard. There, you'll see a list of your classes with your section number on them. So if you pretend this is an accounting one, you click it, and then you'll see your list of missions. I have one here that I'll go into. You'll see that at the very top of the mission is a progress bar that tells me there are 8 questions in the mission that I need to do. And then there are a list of goals. Each of these goals maps to a learning objective from your unit. Within the goals, you can see these are target questions. So when I click a different goal, I'll see a list of different target questions that address this learning outcome. And each of the goals also has a list of the number of unfinished target questions within that goal. So if I click one, I'm going to see there are these 2 target questions. You should do your best to answer the target questions and write down all of your work as you attempt the problems. For this question, calculate accounts on the balance sheet, I'm going to pick, let's see here, which one of these do I think is correct? Let's try this one, first one. Woo! So I've gotten that correct. You'll see there's a check mark. There is a solution if I want to go through the work solution and compare it to my work. You'll see the progress bar has updated. This says I have finished 1 out of the 8 questions, and the number of unfinished questions in this goal has gone down to 1. You also see that there is an achieved icon here for that target question. So I can then move on to another target question. Same goal. If I pick a different answer, submit. Oh, I see that this time I got it wrong. There's a worked solution if I'd like to understand maybe where I made a misstep. But fly-by-wire will then generate a waypoint question, which is a more fundamental learning outcome, and it's a slightly easier question. So this one is calculate total equity. The idea is that if I get this easier question right, it might help me answer additional target questions correctly the next time. So let's see. I will try to answer this one correctly. So I got that waypoint question correct, and then it will bring me back to the original target question. So I have another chance to answer this correctly. So I'll do my best to answer this correctly this time. So I have the target question correct, and then when I go back to the top, I'll see that I now have 2 out of my 8 targets finished. I have a tried badge on this target question, and I have a tried on the goal, which lets me know that I've done all of the questions for that goal. So continue this process until you try all of the questions in your mission. Once you've completed all of your target questions in the mission, fly-by-wire will generate a personalized Phase 2 mission for you that includes questions similar to the ones that you missed on your Phase 1 mission. Fly-by-wire saves your work automatically, so if you need to leave your mission at any time and come back to it later, you can. Just make sure that you log out up here in the top right, and you will also have to log out of your ACC D2L portal directly from the D2L page here, also in the top right.